Episode 12, Hoi An to Da Nang. We spent most of the day in Hoi An trying to get our tailors sorted out, but we ended up with some nice custom-made clothing, and then drove 30 minutes to Da Nang, where we quickly checked out Marble Mountain and Bak Mai An Market, and then we spent the evening swimming in our rooftop pool. We're back at the Limei again. Lime, okay. Sounds good. We're back. Link is actually okay. Okay, after a quick ride, we're here. We're getting some buncha finally. And then we put this. You can put it with the veggies here. What's your mom?
It's like having the Japanese home.
To FIFO Cafe to chill and wait for our suits to be made. Coffee was so expensive. How much was it, Shiro? 85 is more than what we paid for 2 orders of that like buncha. It makes no sense. We're going to Mont now. It's right here too. Buddy, here is Mont. Nice. It's the Guangzhou Huiguan. It's what Hoi An Old Street looks like in the daytime. Got some books on this side. And we got the sign over there that we saw yesterday. We're back at Caddy Coffee, this time with the caramel salted coffee. Hero's just saying goodbye. When we have our clothes, you will see it tonight. It's like 3, starting to come down with the rain. We're gonna go back to the hotel, pick up our luggage, and head to Da Nang. Finally, the way we're carrying now. This is like the extra linen stuff. Anyway, it's time to go Da Nang. Okay, so we saw this cool point of interest with this pagoda and the stairs. We probably won't have time to go up, but I can fly my drone around here.
When you're crushing all my dreams and you're making me so full. I know what I'm supposed to do. I know what I'm supposed to do. I know what I'm supposed to do.
Okay, so now we're entering Da Nang City. Today's ride was very good, very short. Maybe like 30 minutes and we were in. Really here at the Diamond Beach Hotel.
When you're crushing all my dreams and you're making me so full.
Go apartment 503. Show me what you got.
I know what I'm supposed to do.
Oh, there's 2 beds here. Why? And then there's this thing here. Okay, I like it. Okay, here's the rooftop bar. And we're off. You have to work again tonight, so we're gonna go to the market first. Going to this market, Bak Mai An Market. Let's go 12 minutes. This is the one that we saw on the way in. It looks very local.
She said it's good.
In this city, you definitely need like 2 baths. The roots are so strong. This is the market that we passed by earlier. The most local market we've ever been. The prices are real good here too. We're on the inside of the market. There's like noodles, mix of stuff, and you get with the crackers. Mixed Vietnamese cake. Everything here.
I know what I'm supposed to
Everything.
do.
Spa Campbell. This one's for 30 for a big one. Much cheaper.
I know what
Same taste as the expensive one?
I'm supposed
No
to
difference?
do.
No difference.
Yeah.
It's even better.
Wow. So I don't like how this city has so many traffic lights. Look at here. We're sitting here for like 60 seconds now. I rather like the system in the lot. No traffic lights.
I know what I'm
And we're
supposed
back
to do.
at the hotel again. Okay, here we go. I think we're gonna hang out by the pool while she works and eat some fruits. This private rooftop pool.
I know what I'm supposed to do.
At least do a good one.
Go. That's a cannonball.
Bright makeup. I know what I'm supposed to do. You're sick of my madness. Don't you tell me what I'm supposed to do. Better off without me. Don't you tell me what I'm supposed to do. When I'm walking on the streets half naked, it's part of me, it's part of me. When I'm making my bright makeup, it's part of me, it's part of me. When you're crushing on my dreams and you're making me so cool. Get out of my life. I know what I'm supposed to do.